What's going on, guys? Today, we're going to show you how to install your performance transmission cooler for the 2004 to 2008 Ford F150. With that said, let's get started. For the first step, remove the 3 lower tree clips on the splash guard. For the next step, you're going to want to pop the hood. Then use the provided tool and wrap it around the lines. Depress the fitting and pull the line out. Use a drain pan to catch any fluid that gets drained. Remove the 2 bolts holding the transmission cooler to the vehicle and remove the OEM cooler from the vehicle. Install the 2 mounting brackets loosely by hand to the new Mishimoto transmission cooler in the position and orientation shown. Then you can bolt in the new Mishimoto transmission cooler. Next, tighten the mounting brackets to the transmission cooler. Insert the 2 transmission lines into the cooler. Next, reinstall the splash shield by reinstalling the 3 pop clips. And lastly, make sure you test drive and check the fluid level. Refill with OEM fluid if needed. And that wraps up this installation guide. If you're interested in this product, we'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.